Okay, in this video we're going to talk about ordering fractions. On tests, quizzes, homework, and even in real life you may be asked to order fractions. You could be asked to order them from greatest to least or from least to greatest. And we have three strategies that we're going to look at today in order to do this. We can draw a picture, we can use bottoms up, and we can use fraction fringe. Let's look at these now. Order fractions by drawing a picture. I have the fraction 1/3, which means one piece out of 3. 1/6 is one piece out of 6 pieces. 1/9 is one piece out of 9 pieces. If this were a sheet cake, which piece of cake would you want? I would want this one. It's the biggest one. 1/3 is bigger than the 1/6 piece, and the 1/6 piece is bigger than the 1/9. There's also a cool trick that if all my numerators match, well, the smaller denominator is actually going to be the largest fraction, because you're cutting the cake into fewer pieces, which means you'll get a larger portion. So from greatest to least, it goes 1/3, 1/6, 1/9, and from least to greatest, the smallest is 1/9, then 1/6, then 1/3. So that's drawing a picture. Use bottoms up. Okay, bottoms up. I'm going to start at the bottom. My bottom number is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. My numbers match, so these two fractions are equal, or also known as equivalent fractions. So if I were going to order them, it would be a little bit difficult. I would write them actually on a number line right above each other because they are the same fraction. Let's look at another one. Bottoms up. 6 times 1 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 is bigger than 6. So 2/6 is bigger than 1/8. 2/6 is bigger than 1/8. Okay? Next we have 5/12 compared to 2/3. Bottoms up. 12 times 2 is 24. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 is less than 24. Therefore, 5/12 is less than 2/3. It's a nice strategy. Now, the reason why this works is if I really wanted to compare these, they'd have to be the same number slices. So if I had a cake with 12 slices, so let me draw this. Okay, there's my 12 slices. And I have this cake that I want to be out of 12 slices. Okay, so this says 5 out of every 12 pieces I want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This says 2 out of every 3 slices. 1, 2, don't eat that one. 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 Well, this is 5 versus 8. 8 slices is better than 5. Therefore, 2/3 is bigger than 5/12. Okay, ordering fractions with bottoms up. We just kind of did that. 3 times 1 is 3. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 is bigger than 3. So therefore, 1/3 is bigger than 1/6. And then we continue to compare. Okay, so now I know 1/3 is going to be bigger than 1/6. So I know my order is going to be 1/3, and then there's going to be 1/6. I have to decide where this 1/9 is going to fit. Well, this is 3, and this is 9. Again, 1/3 is bigger than 1/9. So 1/9 is going to be somewhere to this side, but I don't know where yet, so I need to compare the two that are left. So 9 times 1 is 9. 6 times 1 is 6. 9 is bigger than 6, so 1/6 is bigger than 1/9. So 1/6 comes in here before 1/9. Ordering fractions with fraction fringe. This is similar to drawing the picture in the last time when I did comparative fractions. We have one whole, and then you can break it into 2 halves, and then you can break those halves into halves, which gives you 1/4, and go this way and keep breaking it and comparing it, and then you can do your shading that way. Visually, I can see 1/2 is bigger than 1/4, 1/4 is bigger than 1/8, 1/8 is bigger than 1/6. Let's say I was comparing 3/16. Well, if I compare 3/16, I color those in, that is greater than 1/8 but less than 1/4. Great little visual to use. I hope these tools helped you to compare ordering fractions, and one of them I hope worked with you the best, and you can use that tool, and good luck.